In 2020, Uniswap decentralized trade was at the focal point of the publicity around decentralized finance. The stage sent off its local digital currency, Uniswap, in September 2020. The symbolics cost blast. And in 2 or 3 days, Uni previously was in the main 40 cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization. What is the eventual fate of Uni digital money? And what is a potential Uniswap cost forecast? Figure out in this video. What is Uniswap? Uniswap decentralized trade was at first delivered in November 2018. The stage is a DApp in view of the Ethereum blockchain, which empowers the trading of Ether to an assortment of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap boosts liquidity suppliers by giving them commission charges. Uniswap digital currency was sent off in 2020 and presently is utilized for casting of ballot rights, central turns of events, and so on. Uni is an ERC20 token recorded on Changelly, Binance, Huobi Worldwide, Kraken, Crypto.com, and different trades. In 2021, the Uni token began its exhibition amazingly, alongside the entire digital currency market. In January, Uni's cost was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The symbolic cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget underneath. Uniswap value forecast 2023 as per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2023. The base expense of Uniswap will be $9.89. The greatest level that the Uni cost can reach is $11.52. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $10.16. Likely return for money invested. 66.7% by Uni value figure for January 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Uniswap toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Uni pace of $7.06 in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $6.46 and at $7.27 individually. Likely return on initial capital investment, 5.2% by February 2023. Uniswap value estimate digital money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the Uni cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $6.94, while the most extreme could reach $7.55 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $7.28. Likely return for capital invested, 9.3% by Uni value figure for WAC 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value changes of Uniswap in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Uni rate they anticipate may be around $7.57 in WAC 2023. It can drop to $7.30 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $7.91. Likely return for capital invested, 14.5% by April 2023. Uniswap value figure around mid-year 2022. The Uni cost will be exchanged at $7.87 overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Uniswap worth to $8.29. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $7.53 in April 2023. Expected return for money invested, 20% by Uni value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Uniswap costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $8.03. The least and pinnacle Uni rates may be $7.76 and $8.68. Possible return on initial capital investment, 25.6% by June 2023. Uniswap value estimate. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Uni cost will be around $8.35. In June 2023, the Uniswap cost might drop to at least $8.08. The normal pinnacle worth may be $9 in June 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 30.2% by Uni value conjecture for July 2023. Having examined Uniswap costs, digital money specialists expect that the Uni rate could arrive at a limit of $9.42 in July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $8.25. For July 2023, the determined normal of Uniswap is almost $8.51. Expected return on initial capital investment, 36.3% by August 2023. Uniswap value gauge around mid-2022. The Uniswap cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $8.77. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the Uni cost could vary somewhere in the range of $8.43 and $9.85. Likely return for capital invested, 42.5% by Univalue estimate for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Uniswap worth won't dip under at least $8.70. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $10.20. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $9.03. Expected return for money invested, 47.6% by October 2023. Uniswap value gauge digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of uni costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Uniswap will be around $10.56, with a chance of dropping to at least $9.13. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $9.39. Likely return for capital invested, 52.8% by Univalue conjecture for November 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Uniswap toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical uni pace of $9.77 in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $9.50 and at $11.03. Separately, possible return for capital invested, 59.6% by December 2023. Uniswap value figure digital money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the uni cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $9.89, while the most extreme could reach $11.52 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $10.16. Possible return on initial capital investment, 66.7% by Uniswap value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Uniswap will be around $13.83. The most extreme expected uni cost might be around $16.94. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $14.34 in 2024. Uniswap value expectation 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap, in 2025, Uni is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $20.73 and $24.11, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $21.45. Uniswap value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Uniswap and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base uni cost could drop to $31.85, while its most extreme can reach $36.47. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $32.71. Uniswap value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Uniswap by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least uni costs are normal in 2027, $55.22 and $47.62. By and large, it will be exchanged at $48.93. Uniswap value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of Uniswap. In view of their